Welcome to this lesson on multiplying binomials using the area model. This is a powerful, visual method that makes algebra much easier to understand. By using a simple grid, we can ensure we multiply every term correctly without missing anything. Let's get started. First, let's quickly review what a binomial is. A binomial is simply an algebraic expression that contains exactly two terms. These terms are usually separated by a plus or minus sign. For example, x plus 5 or 3y minus 2. If you see two distinct parts, you are looking at a binomial. Why do we call this the area model? Think back to geometry. To find the area of a rectangle, you multiply its length by its width. We can apply this exact same concept to algebra. We treat our binomials as the length and width of a rectangle, and the total area represents their product. Here is the problem we will solve together. We need to multiply the binomial x plus 3 by the binomial x plus 2. Using the area model will help us break this down into smaller, manageable chunks. Step 1 is to draw a 2 by 2 grid. We need 4 boxes because we are multiplying two terms by two terms. Write the first binomial, x plus 3, along the vertical side. Then, write the second binomial, x plus 2, along the top. Make sure to include the positive signs so you don't lose track of them. Now we fill in the boxes one by one, just like a multiplication table. Let's start with the top left box. We look at the term to its left, which is x, and the term above it, which is also x multiplied by x gives us x squared. We write that inside the box. Let's fill in the remaining 3 boxes. For the top right, we multiply x by 2 to get 2x. For the bottom left, we multiply 3 by x to get 3x, and finally, for the bottom right, we multiply 3 by 2 to get 6. Now our grid is completely full. The total area of our large rectangle is simply the sum of all the smaller boxes. So, let's list them out. We have x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6. This long expression represents the product of our two binomials. We are almost done, but we can simplify. Notice that we have two terms with an x, 2x and 3x. These are like terms. We can combine them by adding their coefficients. 2 plus 3 is 5. So our middle term becomes 5x. The x squared and the 6 stay the same. And there is our final answer, x squared plus 5x plus 6. To recap, draw your grid, place your terms on the outside, multiply to fill the inside, and finally, combine the like terms. This method works for any binomial multiplication and helps keep your work organized.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.